Hello friends, welcome to EduCare. I am Arya Krishna. Today's video include Hiroshima Day quiz. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Which day is celebrated as Hiroshima Day? August 6. Which day is celebrated as Nagasaki Day? August 9. When did the atomic bomb drop on Hiroshima? August 6, 1945. What was the name of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima? Little Boy. What was the name of the plane dropped the atomic bomb in Hiroshima? Enola Gay. Who was the pilot of Enola Gay B-29 aircraft? Paul Tibbets. What nuclear material was used in the construction of Little Boy? Uranium. When did the atomic bomb drop on Nagasaki? August 9, 1945. What was the name of the atomic bomb dropped on Nagasaki? Fat Man. What is the name of the aircraft dropped Fat Man on Nagasaki? Boskar. What was the name of the pilot of the Boskar? Charles W. Sweeney. What was the nuclear material used in the Fat Man? Plutonium. In which country Hiroshima and Nagasaki are located? Japan. Where was the world's first atomic bomb was dropped? Hiroshima. Which was the first war in which an atomic bomb was used? Second World War. Which country dropped the atomic bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki? USA. Who was the US president when the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Harry S. Truman. Who ruled Japan when atomic bomb dropped? Emperor Hirohito. Who played a key role in the invention of atomic bomb? Julius Robert Oppenheimer. Who was the father of the atomic bomb? Julius Robert Oppenheimer. What was the name of the project developed the atomic bomb? The Manhattan Project. Now I am became the death, the destroyer of world. Who said this? Oppenheimer. What is the chemical formula for the atomic bomb? E is equal to mc square. Who discovered the formula for atomic bomb? Albert Einstein. Which city is known as City of Peace in Japan? Hiroshima. What is the nickname of the atomic bomb survivors? Hibakusha. What is Hibakusha means? Atomic bomb affected people. Who wrote the book Nagasaki no Kane? The Bells of Nagasaki? Takashi Nagai. What was the name of the most widely known Japanese girl Who became the victim of the atomic bomb of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Sadako Sasaki. Whose memory the children of Japan make a paper crane? Sadako Sasaki. Where is the statue of Sasaki holding a golden crane situate? Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum. Who wrote the small book Sadako and the Thousand Paper Crane? Eleanor Coyer. What was the biggest nuclear disaster in the world? The Chernobyl disaster, 1986, Ukraine. Where was the first nuclear test conducted? Alamogordo, New Mexico. What is the most powerful bomb in the world? Tsar Bomba, USSR. What are the countries have nuclear weapons? Russia, USA, France, China, UK, Pakistan, India, Israel, North Korea. When was the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons was adopted? 7 July 2017. Where was the first nuclear test in India? Pokhran, Rajasthan, 1974. What was the name of first nuclear test in India? Smiling Buddha. Who is the father of India's nuclear program? Homi J. Bhabha. Who was India's Prime Minister when first nuclear test was conducted? Indira Gandhi. What nuclear material was used in India's first nuclear test? Plutonium.